Welcome to Sign Your Doc. Hello everyone, I'm Kisan from Sign Your Doc. Please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the latest information and update on time. In this video we will discuss how to delete Instagram account. To delete Instagram account, you can find URL in the video description. Open that URL in your browser. After that, you need to select account that you want to delete and log in your account. After that, you need to answer one question. Why do you want to delete account? You need to select answer from the drop down. You can find many answers from here. You can select any as your requirement. I'm going to select created a second account. After that, you need to enter your account password. And then you need to click on delete option. When you click on delete option, you can find one pop-up. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Click on OK. And after that, you can find your account is deleted. Instagram will take 30 days to delete your account. Within 30 days, your account will be deleted. That's how you can delete your account. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel so you will get the latest information and update on time. Till then, thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press bell button for the latest update and information.